Well, hi everybody. Let me tell you the story. We adopted a cat and from our neighbors, and I'm gonna install a cat door for you today. So let's get into that right now. I'm Jay, and this is Jay's How-To channel. I ordered this cat door from Amazon. There's a link in the description below this video. Amazon doesn't charge you anything extra. They just pay me an affiliate link for supporting their business. All right, we're going to draw an outline of this cat door onto this cardboard. Okay, now we're going to cut this out, and make sure that you cut right on the outside of the line so that you get like 1/8 of an inch larger than the cat door. If the template's too small, you're going to have to come back and cut the opening a second time. Now, I did use some tape on the back of this template. Now, the recommended height is 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters. That's from the floor to the bottom of the cat door. Let's trace this template and transfer the image to the door with a pencil. Okay, and we're coming in with a drill. You want to make sure that you stay inside the lines. Now I've got my jigsaw, and you want to make sure you cut right on the line. Okay, and we're coming again with our jigsaw, and you want to make sure you cut exactly on the line. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned to the end of the video because you're going to see our little kitty is going to come through the cat door at the very end of the video. She's so cute, and you're gonna really like it. All right, and now we're installing the 4 screws. We'll speed this up for you. And then we're gonna, oh yeah, put the covers on. And now we're moving to the outside. Test fitting the cat door. Yeah, no, so this one has a weather seal around the perimeter. And we're using 4 screws to attach the outside cat door. Oh, shoot, my drill died, so I have to go grab my Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and back to it, and speed this up for you. Okay, now I'm going to caulk that cat door. We're coming in with some tape to keep the edges clean on the door. Press the tape into these door panels so that it's super clean. Yeah, and here we go. Press that like button for me if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the cat at the end of the video, and we'll see you in the next one.